Welcome to our channel. If you've just started driving with Uber or want to ensure your account is fully verified, you've come to the right place. Verifying your Uber driver account is an essential step to start driving legally and confidently. Let me guide you through the entire process in clear steps that anyone can follow. First, open the Uber driver app or go to the Uber driver website and log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to sign up as a driver by entering your personal information and vehicle details. Second, once logged in, locate the section labeled Driver Profile or Account Verification in the menu. Here, Uber requires you to submit several essential documents to validate your identity and eligibility to drive. Typically, these documents include your driver's license, vehicle registration, proof of insurance, and a background check authorization. Third, scan or take clear photos of each document and upload them carefully, ensuring all information is visible and legible without glare or blurriness. Uber's system will review these uploads for accuracy. Fourth, complete any additional requirements such as taking a selfie for identity confirmation or submitting proof of residence if requested. Some regions may also require a vehicle inspection report or additional certifications, so pay attention to in-app notifications or emails from Uber. Fifth, after submitting everything, your account will enter the verification phase, which may take from a few hours to several days, depending on Uber's processing speed and the region you're in. During this time, you can check your account status regularly through the app or website. Finally, once your documents are approved and your account receives full verification, you will get a confirmation message or email. At this point, you're officially approved to start accepting ride requests and earning money as an Uber driver. Remember that maintaining your verification status means keeping your documents up to date and responding to any renewal requests promptly. This will ensure uninterrupted access to driving privileges on the Uber platform. Following these steps will help you pass the verification process smoothly and start your journey with Uber with confidence and security. If you encounter any issues during verification, Uber's driver support is available to assist through chat, email, or phone. Thanks for watching, and let's get you on the road safely.